Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another session on Vibe with Lady MM. So today we are revamping some wigs from clients, okay? Revamping and then treating those wigs, okay? So these are the items and the ingredients I'm going to use for the revamping and then the treatment. So that's shampooing, conditioning and treatment of the wigs, okay? So you can see them right there. So the water you're seeing right there is a warm water. I'm just adding shampoo and then I'll add up the hair, okay? So that is the actually there are 3 weeks from clients, so the same client actually. So I'm just washing them together because from the same person, okay? If it's from different clients, I'm not going to wash them together. So those are, I just, you can see that it's really dirty. It's not, the shampoo is not even foaming, right? And I need to add the more shampoo, but still it's not foaming. That should tell you the wig is really dirty. That's why we need to be washing and revamping our wigs, because look at what we are putting on our head. Okay, so that's the first shampoo application, and this is the second shampoo application. Let's see how dirty or how clean that water will be. So first of all, you want to focus on the frontal area or the closure areas, and then make sure it's very clean so that everything will look neat and perfect for your client or for yourself. Okay. So you could see that I'm applying more shampoo on the closure and then the frontal part of the wig to make sure I remove all dirt and make the closure and the frontal neat. So that's the second shampoo application. That is how the water is looking. It's more cleaner than the second one. And that's the third, after wash the third shampoo application. That's how the water is looking after rinsing it. So that is it. So after the third shampoo application and rinsing, then I went ahead to apply my conditioner to detangle. You could see how tangled that hair was, but I was able to, with a lot of conditioning, I was able to comb through and detangle. So that's how flexible the hair is. So that's a wet curl. The previous one was a pixie cut, and then the other one was just it seems a wavy hair. Yeah, so I just try my best to make sure I detangle the hair very well so that I can start with my treatment. Okay, so I'm using this ingredient for treating the hair. Is it silicone max? Yeah, and then the other one, I've forgotten the name, but I'll leave it in the description box for you. So I'm just mixing both together and I'll apply it to the hair evenly. Okay, so after with the pixie wig, then I'm making sure I evenly apply and comb through the hair to make sure that the product gets to every strand of the hair. Then I'm going to put it in a zip bag. Okay, and then I do that with the second one and then the third one. I put it in a zip bag because we need the hair to soak up the product and then work on every strand of the hair of the wig. Okay, so you can decide to keep it for like 30 minutes before you come back to wash, or you put it in an what's the name, a microwave for like 5 to 10 minutes and you take it off. Okay, so I decided to just leave it for 30 minutes in the zip bag and then I come back. So that is how it is looking after treating. Actually, it's just a video, so you wouldn't know, but it's very soft. Like you see, like the strands of the wigs are alive now, looking so nice and shiny. All right. Yeah, so that is the end result of everything. That's how the pretty one is looking. The wet curl is looking, the straight one. That's how they are looking. So they are looking nicer, more defined. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share my video. I love you. Mwah.